After completing this lecture, you can explain the building blocks of AI and describe machine learning. Moving from historical narration, how do we know AI as a technology today? Can you name some of the AI applications that you use in daily basis? Have these applications lived up to the promises that they made? These are some of bold figures that you have probably seen in today's AI market landscape. Which one have you used? Are there any of these AI applications or tools or others that you started to integrate into your work? If you work as an architect or designer, can you mention any specific feature of these AI-powered applications that made your life easier or more productive? In this video, we aim at unveiling the scene behind this glossy, ready-to-use technology that is Backstage AI. You may consider this building as an example of a finished product. However, a building has many phases before being realized, from a design brief to a conceptual design, a schematic design, architectural and structural drawings to engineering calculations, materiality, and finally construction. I will invite you to see what is behind the glossy look of AI-powered products in the next few slides. What do you need to build AI? I'm not asking for specific applications or the programming framework, but what raw materials are needed to create these intelligent programs. Data is the main building block of today's AI products. Consider it as a brick for a brick building. That is why we spend a lot of time on data processing and analysis to prepare the most essential material for building or customizing an AI product. Next, a tool is needed to integrate data into the AI product. This is often the deep neural network. A deep neural network is a type of artificial neural network that consists of multiple layers of interconnected nodes, designed to process and learn from complex data patterns. Last but not least, we need a plan. In our AI context, that is the learning algorithm. This is how we teach the model to interact with data. As you see, there are three main building blocks that we need to create AI. This package and how the blocks work together is machine learning, the science behind AI. Machine learning focuses on developing statistical methods that enable computers to learn and make predictions or decisions based on data without being explicitly programmed to follow rules. It is the automation of programming rules through data. In machine's world, the experience comes in the form of data. Just as we learn from experience, the ML model learns from data. Machine learning algorithms are trained on data sets. We come back to define what is the difference between data set and data, allowing them to learn from data patterns without being explicitly programmed for each specific scenario. First, the model learns from data through a learning algorithm. When the training phase is over, the model is evaluated on unseen data. Unseen data is part of the data set that is not shown to the computer during the training session. This is to ensure that the machine learning model did not cheat by memorizing the training data rather than extracting general rules. Once the ML model is examined by the ML engineer and passes the qualification, then it's deployed to predict in real world. Prediction is associated with different tasks, such as labeling images in image classification and predicting the next word in language models. You might feel lost by all these terms, such as learning algorithm, training, dataset. Don't worry. All of these concepts will be completely explained later. For now, try to just remember these keywords and perhaps search online to find more information about these topics.